The Atwfs Instant Water Heater presents itself as a focused solution for on-demand hot water, designed to integrate seamlessly into various domestic settings. This unit aims to provide immediate access to heated water, streamlining daily routines for specific applications within the home. A core attribute is its instant heating capability, which ensures hot water is available without the typical waiting period associated with storage tanks. Operating at 220V with a 4600W power output, it suggests a robust heating capacity, implying efficient performance for its intended functions. Furthermore, the unit's portable design offers notable flexibility, allowing for repositioning as hot water needs evolve across different areas. This heater is specifically positioned for use in the bathroom, capably supplying hot water for showering. Beyond personal hygiene, it extends its utility to the home kitchen, suggesting it can competently provide heated water for various culinary or cleaning tasks. Its adaptability makes it suitable for scenarios where a fixed hot water supply is either unavailable or inconvenient, or where supplemental heating is desired. The emphasis on portability in its design suggests a compact form factor, facilitating easy relocation and setup as required. Its electrical nature implies straightforward operation, primarily necessitating a compatible 220V power source and an appropriate 4600W circuit. The fundamental promise of an instant water heater, by its very definition, points to a design focused on delivering consistent hot water on demand, provided a stable electrical supply is maintained. In summary, the Atwfs Instant Water Heater positions itself as a practical and adaptable appliance. Its combination of instant heating, substantial power, and portability directly addresses specific requirements for hot water in both bathroom and kitchen environments. For individuals seeking a flexible and immediate hot water solution, this